a strong wind here, guys. Me and Gianni are just like outside.
Let me see it.
We're like outside. It's like super strong winds right now. So for your news, there's like strong weather. Oh, get that.
Super dark out here.
Yes.
Very hard to see. Oh, Steph.
Come on.
Here, hold it.
So
Let's go walk. Let's go see how fast it goes. Dude, if it starts going really fast,
we running back.
fast as you can.
Oh shoot! Run!
That was nothing. That was just from like the...
Guys, look how fast the wind's going, man. We didn't know what's going on.
Here, let me see it. Look. Dude, can you put flash on this? Dude, you're not gonna drop this. Go.
Oh no. Hold on. I gotta do something right here. Sorry guys. Oh shoot! I'm gonna put my flash on so you guys can see.